Good afternoon, friends. One of the important topic, can one file or update income tax return for financial year 2019-20 and financial year 2020-21? Now, in these 2 years, there could have been the cases wherein you have forgotten to report an income or made a mistake in your ITR. Now, under section 139, 8A, allows you a chance to update your ITR within 2 years. 2 years will be calculated from the end of the year in which the original return was filed. Now, ITR-U was actually introduced to optimize tax compliance by taxpayers without provoking legal action. So, updated ITR, that is ITR-U, is actually a type of return under Income Tax Act to be filed using ITR-U form. It allows taxpayers to file return under certain conditions. If those conditions are fulfilled, then only you can file ITR-U. The conditions are, if you have not filed return earlier, or there is some corrections in the disclosure in already filed income tax return, or you feel there is some change in the head of income which you have not reported correctly in your earlier filed returns, you can do it now via ITR-U. Or you want to reduce the carry forward loss, maybe my mistake or something, you have increased your carry forward loss, so that can be reduced. Even if you want to reduce your unabsorbed depreciation, then ITR-U can be used for updating your returns for financial year 2019-20 and financial year 2020-21. Whether you have submitted original return, revised return, delayed return, or you have not filed return, then too you can use ITR-U for the same. The deadline, if we talk about as to by when, what is the last date of filing ITR-U? So it can be furnished within 24 months from the end of the specific assessment year. For example, for the assessment year 2022-23, an updated return can be filed by 31st March 2025. Now, there has been certain cases also which is wherein you cannot actually go for filing your updated return for these 2 years. The cases are if the updated return is a return of the loss, updated return is reducing the income tax liability from the return filed earlier, the updated return result increases the refund, the search has been started under section 132, books of accounts or any other document are called for under section 132A. A survey is done or under section 133A. So under these cases, ITR-U or updated ITR cannot be filed for financial year 2019-20 and financial year 2020-21. Plus, along with the ITR updated when you're filing, you have to also address some additional tax liability. Now that tax liability comes to be 25% of the tax and interest if an updated return is to be filed within 12 months from the end of the assessment year, or 50% of tax if you're filing updated return after 12 but before 24 months. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.